Hey Visual Crew, welcome to another creative tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to do some creative drone shots that are very simple to do, but at the same time they are very creative and they are very impactful to your viewer. I don't wanna make you wait anymore, so let's jump into the first shot.
This is what I call a tilt down rising shot. Basically, you frame your subject and start moving up while the drone camera tilts down. You achieve this shot by going up and using the gimbal control to move the camera down at the same time.
For this kind of clip, what you can do is just put it in reverse and add a cinematic boom effect, and you're gonna have such a dope and crazy intro for your videos, for movies, for whatever you wanna use it, you name it. If you like the content that you're seeing, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna be bringing more stuff very soon. So the next drone shot that I want to show you is called the track forward tilt down shot.
It is similar to the previous one, but in this case, you frame your subject and start moving forward while the camera slowly tilts down. To do this one, make sure you have your subject in frame and start going forward while using the gimbal control to tilt the camera down.
The next drone shot that you're gonna see is one of my favorites because it creates that perspective that you don't get to see normally unless you're a bird.
This drone shot is called the bird eye, and you can see why. It's very powerful and creative. It is achieved by having the camera pointing down while you fly basically in any direction you want.
Here is another kind of awesome drone shots that you should add to your videos due to its creative and amazing way to reveal the landscape.
I'm talking about the rising bird eye shot, and it's like the previous one, but you start close to the ground or your subject and then move up while the camera points straight down. Achieve this shot by having your drone low and the camera pointing down, and then pull up to the desired height.
And last but not least is the bird's eye spinning shot.
This is the most dramatic one and one of my definitely favorites. Very dynamic. To do this one, you will point your camera down while hovering over your subject and then start spinning towards one direction. You can also go up while doing it to get a better effect. Here you have it, Visual Crew. 5 easy drone shots to add to your videos. Like and subscribe if you found this useful. See you in the next one.